Undoubtedly, the past 14 months of living with COVID 19 has been the most devastating period of humanity. It has redefined human life and its values. Arguably, on a positive note, globally, it emerges as the most powerful teacher or a guru in educating every human being on earth in revamping the lifestyle for a healthy survival and brighter future. It has brought every institution to a grinding halt at one point of time or another. Archaeology too has suffered indescribably, both in teaching and research, with the institutions under lockdown for months together. The financial crunch and subsequent inability to undertake field and laboratory investigations has rendered the turtle speed to academic activities considerably. As regards funnel studies in archaeology, it has been as impedimenting as in any other field of investigations, and we are now increasingly realizing the importance of virtual world, which is the safest and most effective mode in the face of a pandemic. Thanks to the technology which is already there in practice, all we need to do is to put to its wider and effective application both in the field as well as in the lab. The future of archaeology is very challenging, especially when we enter into the realm of being online, both teaching as well as research. Surprisingly, the online teaching has been not only an effective means of dissemination of knowledge, breaking away the rigid norms of a classroom teaching, its timing, limited accessibility, but also very cost effective. The digital world is flooded with online lectures and webinars whose national and international viewership has made the dissemination of information global. Anybody can listen, anyone, anywhere, and gain knowledge and information without being present physically at the venue of its deliberations. However, the scenario with regard to the researchers involved involves the scrutiny and detailed hands-on observations for the analysis of artifacts, bones, fossils, etc. The applications of remote sensing and GIS in archaeology as a prelude to ground reality have indeed been in vogue for several decades. But new methods in the field of virtual anthropology, paleontology, appear a great help in salvaging spatially in the face of such unprecedented times of corona pandemic and even post pandemic. The computer aided visualization and analysis of bones and fossils will be the norm of the funnel studies, especially the post pandemic. Several laboratories and paleontological institutions across the world are adopting this new trend of research, and the interpretations have been highly valuable. Digital revolution has led to the 3D characterization of the objects like fossilized bones, ceramics, their composition, extracting fossil data from rocks to the functional analysis of the objects, including fossils and other archaeological materials. The archival of these digitized data sets and its global sharing among archaeologists, earth scientists, including paleontologists, etc., will have to be realized. These would also be of wider benefits as digital models based on the archaeological and fossil materials are a valuable tool in public engagements with science and teaching in a dynamic and interactive way. Many archaeological museums and museums of natural history have formally gone on using these modes for teaching as well as analysis, and in India today, there is a dire need to introduce such methods of documentation for research and teaching on a war footing. Well, as regards down ancient trails, I must say, Down Ancient Trails is a truly representative platform of Indian archaeology that connects the world scholarship with students, early researchers, and amateurs effortlessly. Recently, it has completed a century of invited talks on issues as diverse and interdisciplinary as the subject of archaeology itself is. The topics in world archaeology have made the forum a truly global platform letting people from different parts of the world to meet and discuss the topics of global importance. I congratulate the organizers of Town Ancient Trails for taking archaeology out of the classrooms and seminar halls to let people appreciate the importance of archaeology as part of their history and heritage, whose conservation and preservation can happen only with the greater public education and awareness. Thank you very much.